I guess Mom needs a new dress now. Thanks to my little designer skills.
Get off the stage! You look awful! Look at her. Well, that performance certainly had a rip-roaring finish. Simply dreadful tailoring. She ought to be ashamed. Look at her crying. What a loser. Ooh, go home.
I'm sorry, Mom.
It's okay, my baby. I am going to lose this competition.
My mistake hurt my mom, and now I need to do something for her.
I am going to sell this Scooty to get money so I can make my plan work.
I'm looking to sell this scooter today. It's in excellent condition.
We've reviewed the inspection and we're ready to finalize the purchase.
That's wonderful news.
Here you go. This is what we're paying for the scooter you brought in.
Thanks. Great! I finally have the money. Time to buy a beautiful gown for Mom.
Please don't panic, friends. I haven't switched teams. I'm just looking for a gown for my mom.
Wow! My mother looks absolutely gorgeous in this blue dress.
This gown is absolutely exquisite. Look at the hand-stitched embroidery.
Oh, wow, it's magnificent. The color is perfect.
I want to buy this blue one for my mom.
You can't buy this. It's too expensive, and the money isn't enough.
I wanted to make my mom happy, but I can't afford it. I ruined her dress, and the final is next week.
I can't afford a high-priced dress for my mother, but I'll make sure she still gets something pretty.
Hey, viewers! Subscribe fast! Only then I can save enough money to buy my mom a gorgeous dress!
I am going to buy this.
That will be $20 for the green cloth.
Oh, here you go. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
I know you're wondering how I'm gonna stitch this. Don't worry, I'm a certified YouTube graduate.
Let's get heels for Mom, too! I like the green ones, and they match perfectly.
Your mother is truly lucky to have a son like you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
All I need now is a sewing machine. Maybe I can get one from the junkyard.
This will work perfectly. I am going to take this.
Mom won't wear this. Yes, a little glitter will make this dress shine for her.
It's the last step, finally.
Mom, for your fashion show next week, I made a surprise just for you, because you deserve the best. What are you doing? Secret mission, Mom. Come with me to find out.
Oh, sweetheart, it's magnificent. The way the sequins catch the light and the embroidery is absolutely exquisite.
Mom, do you like the dress?
I love it, sweetheart. I'm prepared. Let the runway glow. It's absolutely stunning! Bravo! Spectacular!
That gown is incredible. She looks stunning, absolutely beautiful. The green embroidery is exquisite.
We are celebrating tonight. And I must praise this gorgeous dress. It was made by my son.
You gave me confidence, my son. I couldn't have done this without you. Today's victory is ours, not just mine. Thank you all so much. We love you. Bye-bye.